Hi, my name is Annette. Thank you so much for choosing my makeup channel by the name of Asani Beauty. Today's video is going to be a review and tutorial over Huda Beauty's Rose Gold eyeshadow palette. I did purchase this a few months ago on Sephora's website. I think the palette is pretty awesome. It has a lot of beautiful tones here. It comes with 18 shades. You get a mix of textured shades. You get a mix of matte shades, and you also get some transition colors here. What I like most about the palette is the matte black shade here that they have called Black Truffle, and I also like this color Angelic. All in all, I think the palette is pretty good. The colors are really pigmented. They go on nice. There isn't a lot of fallout, which I think is really awesome. One thing that I just kind of had an issue with was the price. I kind of felt like for me it was out of my price range because there are other brands out here that are making comparable eyeshadow, and it's like half the price. So outside of that, I really like it. I think that you can create a lot of different looks with it if you're that girl on the go, and if you're only looking for one palette, this is the one for you. So what I'm going to do next is show you the look that I created right here. So stand by if you want to see this look. It's coming right up. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, now let's get into this makeup. I'm going to start with my brows using Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I use the color Chocolate. Okay, and what I'm doing is putting my brows together. What I like to do is put the majority of the product towards my arch area. Then I go back, work that in. Then when I take what's left on the brush and I build up the front. That way it gives it that gradient effect, and it doesn't look too harsh on in the front. Gives it a more natural look. And I'm going to do the same thing with that other brow there, that left side there. Let me know if you do your brows the way I do my brows, girl. Watch me work this thing. Girl, the brows are the most important thing on your face, and try to get them to matching as best as you can. Also, you want to make them look natural too, y'all. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is use that Kat Von D Lock It Concealer Cream there, and I'm going to tighten up that work that I just did, right? Okay, so I'm going to go in with the brush on the applicator, and then I'm going to take a angled brush, and I'm just going to clean up close to that brow line there. I'm also going to bring the product down a little bit to my eyelid there. Then I'm going to take that concealer and I'm going to carve out the top of my brow too. Some people don't do that, but I like to because my work is usually messy. All right, so let's put that concealer on, tighten everything up, and girl, I'm coming together already. Now that I have that concealer on there, I'm going to take a e.l.f. concealer brush and I'm going to blend out that concealer, right? Okay, blending is key. The next thing I'm going to do to set that concealer is I'm going to use SACHA Buttercup's setting powder. All right, and if you don't know about this stuff, girl, this is the stuff if you are a pretty brown girl. All right, let's go. Set it, girl. Set it off to the left now. Set it off to the right now. Okay, so now we're into the eyes. I'm using that Huda Beauty's Rose Gold eyeshadow palette, and that first shade there is Henna, baby. And it is so pretty. Look at those colors. Oh my gosh. All right, girl, and that thing is blending beautifully. Look at that eye come together. Do you see that contouring already of that eye, girl? Look at that shade, boo. It is coming together. I am looking good already, girl. Don't play with me, boo. Do not play. All right, girl, and I'm going to blend that out, girl. We blending all day with this stuff, and I'm using the blending brush that I'm using right here. It's from BH Cosmetics, child. Check them out because they have some affordable makeup products, girl. And they have some good makeup too, girl. Check them out. Now, this next color that I'm using out of Huda Beauty's Rose Gold eyeshadow palette is Cocoa Girl. And look at it bringing that shape into play, baby. That look is coming together, girl. Don't you play with me when it comes to that makeup, boo. Watch a girl put herself together. All right, girl. Watch me now. Take notes, boo. Take notes. Mm-hmm. 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 Girl, put it together. As you can see, these eyeshadows blend so beautifully. And the color palette is just amazing, man. Look how these things come together, girl. Girl, you don't have this? Girl, please. You know, and you heard me when I said that this is like a one-stop shop thing too, girl. You can create so many looks, but this thing is ridiculous, child. Okay, now I'm going in with the color. This is angelic here. Girl, this color is so pretty. It's like a gold and it has pink in it. And it's, man, it's like a little purpley too. But I'm putting that on my lid there for just a little bit of pop of color there. So yeah, I'm working that in, putting that together there. I don't know where I got this brush from, girl, but all right. And I'm cleaning up that work, girl. Here we go again with that angelic on the left lid, girl. It's coming together now. Keep watching me now. You see I'm already looking better, girl. Oh, girl, put this thing together. And girl, this is my first makeup video, girl, so be patient with me, girl. But I know you getting the point. Yup, cleaning it up, cleaning it up. All right, all right. Okay, okay, okay. Now I'm going to use this black truffle because I want to put a little bit more depth into the look. So I'm going into that outer corner right there. And if you can look, my brush strokes are really tight because I was trying to stay right there in that little area. Now, the shorter your brush stroke, the shorter brush strokes are for the concentrated areas there. And I'm going back in with that fluffier blending blush there. And I'm just blending out that black. Now that I have my eyes set, I'm going to go in with that Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner there. Girl, now this is a bargain buy. If you are shopping on the budget, girl, you better go to Walmart, Target, wherever and get you some of this, girl. It's only like $3, child. A lot of stuff is cheap. Some of it's not. Like Huda's not cheap. The brow pomade that I use, it's not cheap. However, it will last you over a year. And I do my brows, it lasts me over a year and I do my brows quite often. Okay, I'm going in with this line, doing this wing, girl. And I said I wasn't going to do a wing liner no more because they're so dramatic. But girl, I lied because I just did it. Girl, I even went off camera and put some lashes on too, boo. So now that I got my eye look together, I'm going to go ahead and get this face, girl, this foundation together. I'm starting off with this matte primer here. Putting that together, and then I'm going to do a little color correcting with LA Girl Pro Longwear Concealer, and this is the orange one to cancel out those dark spots. Girl, I have a little bit of dark under my eyes. It's not a lot, but it's enough that I feel like I need to do something about it. And I also have something around my mouth, y'all, so watch me get that together real quick. Let me go and get those spots together real quick. I don't have a lot of problems, but I do have some. And I know I notice it more than you do. Okay, so now the foundation of choice today is Fenty's foundation, girl. And I just, I can't even believe I got my hands on it, child. I had gave up on the stuff because the stuff been out, girl, but you just can't get it. Okay, girl, so I'm using the color 420, which I thought was the color closest, the shade closest to me. I had to rely on Sephora's Color IQ to select my shade. And per Sephora's Color IQ, Fenty did not have my shade, but this is the one that I thought worked for me. So here it is. It's a little bit on the light side. For me, I think I would go a shade, just a little bit, tad bit darker because I don't like to look ashy. But, it's okay. It's doing good. So now I'm going back in with that Kat Von D Lock-It Tattoo Concealer. And I'm going under my eye area to start my highlighting situation, girl. And I'm over 35, child, and I got to get up under that eye because you know what? I like to stay looking bright and alive. So here we go with that highlight, boo. Come on, Kat Von D, girl, push through with this stuff. And I'm actually liking Kat Von D's Lock-It Tattoo Concealer. It's pretty awesome. I like it. I like it, number one, because she has my shade. I like the consistency of it there. And I like the finish. So Kat Von D, way to go on that. So now I'm going in with that Anastasia Cream Contour Kit. And I'm bringing the dimension back to my face, boo. Come on, carve out those cheekbones and bones and snatch that nose, baby. Come on, girl, put it together. Y'all see me coming together, boo? I look better than I did when I first started. Not that I'm not pretty, not that I'm not cute, but girl, can we push through with the makeup, boo? Don't be afraid to put your makeup on. You know you look good. With it on, put it on. Hell. Okay, now that I've put that concealer on, I'm immediately taking that SACHA Buttercup setting powder and that e.l.f. concealer brush and setting directly under my eye because I do have a few wrinkles there, girl. You got to catch that stuff before it's set, girl. Don't even give it a chance to even get in a wrinkle, boo. Now, I'm taking a Sephora blending sponge here, girl. If you don't know about Sephora blended sponges, girl, you better get on them. I have those. I have the big ones, and then I also have the small ones. But I really like them over the other brand, if you know what I mean. So here I go. I'm also blending out that contour, and here I go again with those blending sponges. All right, so here we go. Sit and come on, Sasha Boo. Set me up for success, girl. All right, so let me tell you how I like to set my powder. I like to set my powder with a damp blending sponge. Why? Because it mooshes the powder in your skin and it looks less like powder. Meaning I ain't walking around here open casket ready, girl. I ain't dead. What the hell? Okay, girl, now I'm gonna, since I put that powder down, I'm gonna glow it up first, boo. Anastasia's Glow Kit. Boo! I got a lot of Anastasia stuff. I must really like her stuff. I do. Alright, so we highlighting it up, boo. I don't know if I'm going overboard or not. I try to do a soft highlight. That's why I put my highlighter on first, and then I try to cover it up with my blush. Because, girl, we ain't trying to blind nobody, and we not looking like we on Star Wars, baby. Come on, child. Tone that stuff down, boo. You Herman, boo. You Herman. You're not a robot. Okay, girl, now I'm coming in with that Saharan blush palette from Juvia's Place, and I am obsessed with that brand, but girl, I'm gonna talk about that in another video, child. But I like to put my blush on top. Girl's gonna carve out that face and give me life. You see me almost together, girl, almost there. Now I'm taking MILANI's lip cream and sugar, and I'm putting those lips together. Boo, girl, lipstick, it just completes the look for me. Watch your girl come together. Watch me now. This shit happened right in front of your face. You see me? Girl, it's there. It is there. Watch me. Watch me. And now, girl, I'm going to put it together with some MAC Fix Plus and coconut. And, girl, let me take the head wrap off my head. And that is it. Thank you so much. That is the look of boo. You saw it. And there you have it. That was my review and tutorial using Huda Beauty's Rose Gold eyeshadow palette. If you like this video, don't forget to click like. Also hit subscribe so that you can receive more videos like this. And once again, thank you so much for watching my channel. If you found this video helpful, please share it with a friend or family member. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Stay beautiful.